If x raised to power a squared over x raised to power b squared is equal to x raised to power 16, x is greater than 1, and a plus b is equal to 2, what is the value of a minus b? X raised to power a squared over x raised to power b squared is equal to 16. Applying the quotient rule here, we have that x raised to power a squared minus b squared, a squared minus b squared is equal to x raised to power 16. We can cancel out s and then equate a squared minus b squared is equal to 16. A squared minus b squared, difference of two squared, can be expanded as a plus b bracket a minus b is equal to 16. A plus b is equal to 2 given. Therefore, we have that 2a minus b is equal to 16. We are looking for a minus b. A minus b. Therefore, a minus b is equal to 16 over 2. And 16 over 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, a minus b is equal to 8. Answer A.